Hello, and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate. I'm a designer and editor here at Sallie Tomato. Let's take a peek at day 12 of our Holiday Royale Sallie Tomato Advent Box. Day 12 feels sophisticated and organized with this new and luxurious accessory. Use items from day 2, day 10, and day 11 to construct this brand new design. We'd love to see what you create. Again, remember to use hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media. This is the Tracey pattern. It's an easy to sew lined wallet with zipper pockets, card pockets, and multiple closure options. You might choose to use a zipper from your zipper bundle, that was day 2, if you prefer a more substantial wallet zipper. And your faux leather from the day 3 package would look amazing as this wallet. RFID fabric is an ideal lining for this project. It protects any readable cards inside the wallet. Add your favorite wallet closure and optional chain strap for more style. We look forward to seeing how you create your Tracey wallet. I'm hoping that today's surprise will be one of your favorites. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That way you'll always know when a new video arrives. Again, thanks for watching and have a great making day.